everything, and especially if I have like a bold lip on like I'm wearing right now, it's just like hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hey, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. Trying something. Hey, what's up? What's going on? All right, so I found this at Walmart and I want to try it. Let's just jump right into it. This is the Detox and it comes really cute. Look at it, it's like a little like peel thing. I don't know. It says six mask, 3 per capsule. I was like, oh, that's cool, because I thought it was just one, but no, it's more than one. So it comes 3 masks per capsule, which is freaking awesome. We got a purifying mask and then we got a detox mask. And I thought this was so cool because it's like you get to do your own little concoctions at home and stuff and like play around with it. And I was like, hey, that's freaking dope. That's so freaking cool, because I don't know about you guys, but I like stuff like this. Like when I see stuff like this, I'm just like, gimme.
Hey loves, so before anyone comments like, what's going on with your lips? Why are they so crusty? It's the liquid lipstick. It bleeds, so it looks really, yeah. See, they're not crusty. So, yeah, back to the video.
Gimme. I like stuff like this. It's just, it catches my eye like every time. It catches my eye every time. So I did apply makeup today, so I am going to remove it, and then we will be getting into this cool ass mask. So first I'm going to go in with the DHC and remove all my makeup, my lips, everything. I feel like a little kid when I play with this stuff, because it just removes everything, and especially if I have like a bold lip on like I'm wearing right now, it's just like, and then you just go in with your cleanser that you usually use. And then, yeah, that's all I have on my face. Let me go rinse my face and I'll be right back. All right, so I do want to try the mask. I want to do like one this side and one this side so we can like play with both. So let me take this off. This is so freaking cool. You guys have like no idea. Like this seriously makes my tickle pickle. Like, this is cool. Look at that. Like, that is dope. Okay. So, shit, which one was which one? Pretty sure that matters, right? I think it was like this. I think so. Oh, it's not like not that complicated. Okay. So I'm gonna get the supplies and I'll be right back. So I got my ingredients. All right. See like how hot that is? First, let's do the one that we're gonna need hot stuff. So this is the one that needs hot stuff. So infuse 1.5 of the mint tea, spearmint and green tea. Okay, so this is what we gotta put. And then combined 2 spoons of hot water. Infuse 1.5 of the mint tea with 2. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 spoons of hot water. Is that the only hot water we need? Yeah, 2 tablespoons. So let me get 2 tablespoons. Oh, this is hot. Okay. 1, 2. So that, my friend, oh, this thing is hot, is 2 tablespoons. Infuse 1.5 of the mint tea. The mint. I'm like, how does this work? Oh, okay, look at it. And then you just, that is adorable. I want to keep this forever. Look at that. That is so cute. So we got to get, oh, that smells so good. I'm gonna love this on my face. I'm gonna add a teaspoon. Let's see. Oh my god, you just shake it in here. Dump that in there. Guys, see? Alright, that's nice. Alright, and then we're gonna grab this one. And then this one we add 0.5. But let's, I'm not probably even measuring this correctly, but that's okay. See, and then we gotta add that in the mix. And then it says mix well. I'm gonna use a, oh, that stuff got me like, oh, it smells really good. Why is mine not watery? What did I do wrong? Oh, I didn't add enough of the thingy you. I'm just gonna add a little bit more in there because I didn't add as much. There you go. Now it's getting thick. Oh, okay, now since that one's chilling, let's do the other one. Mix 1 charcoal clay and 0.5 water. Okay, so this one looks like it's gonna be easier. So this one is 1/5 of charcoal. These things are freaking awesome. Oh, look at that. And then we're gonna pour that one in there. And then 0.5 of water and water. Boom. I don't think it's supposed to be hot, but it's hot. Then we add 1 capsule. See, that one was easy. Go like that. And then right here, you got a capsule. Boom. It does not say how to puncture the capsule. So I just go in with a blade. And we're gonna just squirt this baby in there. So you guys see that? And I'm just gonna, oh, focus. Just gonna squirt the capsule in there. So focusing. So here is the clay. This is the second mask, and then this one right here is the first mask. This one doesn't have any smell to it like the other one. That one smells bomb. So let me just, and then look. See, so that's all of it mixed. So let's add that to one side of our face. Ooh. This could fit my whole face, which is so cool because that's what we want. But I am gonna do just half because I want to add the other one. Half is gonna be detoxing and then the other half is gonna be purifying. But this is freaking cool. I like that Walmart has something like this because it's like, oh yeah, we're gonna purify our eyebrows. And we still got some. That is cool. So like have a girls' day and stuff, like girls' night, like, oh come on, let's do our faces, and you guys can like do a little concoction together. That is so cute. So there's that side. You see that one? That was like enough. Like, oh yeah. And I still got some left where it's like that's enough for my other side of my face, but we're not gonna do that right now. So now we're gonna go in with our other concoction. Like I want my face purified every day then, because that smells good. Look at that. So here's this mask, and I'm just gonna go in and ooh, we are going to put this all over our face. I'm trying to get the leaves on my face because I want that look. I want where it's like I'm bougie on a budget, you know? Walmart got me bougie on a budget. It's okay to be bougie. That side of my face smells amazeballs. Let me put more leaves. The more leaves you have on your face, the fancier you are, okay? So we want them all on our face. Spa day at home. Oh, stay on there. It's hard to get the leaves to stay on there, but you can do it. Ooh, look at that. That just looks cool. Like, what's on your face? They don't even know. It's like under a $6 mask, you know? I think it was like $8, I think. The whole kit. And I still got enough left over for my full face. Okay, let's just grab the other one and I'm gonna detox my eyebrow. I did not forget. Let's detox the eyebrow. Because sometimes eyebrows be getting pimples too, you know? Low-key, I really want to like finish all this mask. I don't want it to go to waste, so I'd rather it be on my face than in the garbage. And it does feel pretty good. I swear this side smells so good. Like, look how cool this looks, you guys. Look how cool this looks. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells freaking amazing. Like, look how cool that looks. So this is pretty neat. So I'm gonna leave this on my face for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go chill, relax, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on it. Okay, so I'm gonna go rinse this off. It's getting dry, and the more I move my face, the more this side, my tea is starting to like flake off. So I'm going to go rinse my face. See, look at, it's flaking off. Flaking off. I'll be back. Okay, so I took everything off. My skin literally feels so baby soft, like so soft. Both sides, one doesn't feel softer than the other. They feel equally soft. It's just, I'm definitely going to be playing with these again, especially because now I know how to like mix it and all that. So I think these are so fun. I definitely recommend them. Try them out, you guys. I found them at my local Walmart in the beauty section. Try them out. You won't be disappointed. It was so fun to like do it and apply it, talk to you guys, and then when I took it off, oh my gosh, it feels so freaking good. So let me know down below if I should do more videos like this. If I find cool stuff like this, let me know if you guys would like to see those type of videos. Give me a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed, and make sure to turn on your notifications so every time I do upload, you guys are alerted. And Baby Jade says thanks for watching, huh? Say thanks for watching, my mama. Say thanks for watching. Mira, 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 mira. That's our FAMBAM over there, baby. Say hi. Yeah, they saw you in my tummy. Or in mama's tummy. Yeah. Yeah, they did, I promise. 4 months, mamas. Next month is gonna be 5 months. I love my mamas. Ooh, look at my little, oh, look at you. Ooh, we should put on some cream, even though our face feels amazing right now. I think we should definitely still put on maybe some oil. So I will be going in with my Drunk Elephant. Multitasking with Jade has definitely been a learning curve, but it is definitely doable. I'm just gonna apply this to my skin. A little bit on my lips. I like to make sure that whatever I'm putting on my face, I'm putting on my eyebrows. I feel like I've noticed the more I pay attention to them and add products to my eyebrows, I feel like I've been seeing a little change. So now we're gonna go in with my L'Oreal Hydra Genius Extra Dry Skin, and I like using this for days where I feel like my skin needs a little bit more of a oomph, or if I just did something to my face, like how I just detoxified my face. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh no no. Gonna add this in my skin. Add it in the skin over here. Make sure we get the brows, you guys. So we are done. Nana, look at them. She's so cute. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Besos a todos. Bye.